Hi students, today I am going to discuss about network devices. Okay, network devices are NIC, modem, hub and switch. Network devices are the components that help the computers to connect to a network for an efficient communication. Let us discuss some of the network devices. Network Interface Card, NIC. Look at the picture, that is Network Interface Card. The Network Interface Card, commonly referred to as the Ethernet card, is a hardware device that enables a computer to connect to a network. It allows the computer to communicate over the network. Earlier, these cards are available as small circuit boards that could be inserted into motherboards. Nowadays, they come pre-installed in the computers by the manufacturer. Clear? The network interface card. Next, we are going to discuss about hub and switch. Hub. A hub is a small rectangular device that connects multiple devices on a network so that they can communicate with one another. It gathers the signals from a device connected to the network and transmits them to all other connected devices. A hub has multiple ports ranging from 4 to 400. Clear? A hub is a small rectangular device that connects multiple devices on a network so that they can communicate with one another. Next one, switch. A switch like a hub is also a multi-port device that connects computer to a network. The only difference is in way that of handling data.
Modem. With the pervasive nature of internet, the word modem is now familiar to many people. Now, let us try to understand how modem plays an important role in using the internet. Every communication that we make over the internet functions with the help of modem. There is a reason behind why this device is called as modem. Because this device performs functions of modulation and demodulation. To put it more precisely, it is an electronic device which changes analog data into digital data and changes digital data into analog data. So the process of changing analog data into digital data is called modulation, and changing digital data back to analog data is demodulation. Hence the word modem. In the internet, the message that we give to the computer will be in the digital form because the computer can understand only the binary data in terms of 0 and 1. The modem which is connected to the computer changes this into analog form. The modem works with the help of telephone lines and optical fibers. The change from digital to analog data is required for the message that we send to reach other computers over the network. When the message sent from one computer reaches another computer, the analog data is changed back into digital data through that computer's modem. This is how that computer can understand the information sent. If the computer receives only analog data, it cannot interpret it. In order to interpret, it needs to be in binary form. This is where the modem plays a.
Hi students, today we already discussed about the network devices, modem, network interface card, hub and switch. If you have doubt, please call me. Thank you.